It's your confidence, because it's what's in you, baby, not what's on you. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I don't know what y'all think. All right, so let's talk about it. All right, so this color is different. I've never done a color like this. I've done like the whole ombre before. I've done like black with the two pieces being blonde. I've done that before, but I've never done a color like this. And so like, let me just kind of get into the color a little bit. It's definitely blonde and brown. So let's go ahead and jump right into the pros, and then I will talk about the cons in a few minutes. So number one, as you guys can see, wig already came colored. So if you're looking for a wig that has color and you don't have to do anything to it, this might be a great option. This is a new color to me, so it's gonna have to grow on me because it is definitely new. I did have to go in with the concealer a lot more in the front just to get this part to stand out more, because you guys know the hair, the roots is blonde, so naturally the parting space is going to be damn near invisible. So that's why I had to go in with the concealer just to kind of get a part. I just went with a simple install, just real clean. I did go in with a little bit of foundation around the hairline just to make sure the lace blended into my skin a little better. Now, this is my first time rocking a color like this, so this color will definitely have to grow on me. But if you are someone who is not afraid of color, you have worn color before, you know exactly how you look with blonde hair, this may be a good wig to consider. So as you guys saw, the hair does hold a curl. I'm not sure if this wig comes in a black or off black. Make sure you check out that description bar. I will let you guys know if this wig comes in a different color, just in case you want this wig but maybe you just don't want this color. I do feel like this wig would have been better if the base of the hair was more of a dark, like a off black, instead of like this cinnamon brown color. Don't get me wrong, the color is beautiful. I don't like this. Like, I just feel like we could have left that alone. We could have just left this as one color, because I feel like, I don't know, like, I don't know, like it's cute, but then it's like, I don't know. But I like it. Like, I don't know. I can't explain it. Like, I think what's throwing me off is just this blonde right here. I really think that's what's throwing me off. But regardless, so if you can get past the color, overall the wig quality is pretty nice considering it is a colored wig. I definitely did not experience any type of dryness. As you guys saw in the video when I was curling the hair had a good shine to it. And even now, my lighting is terrible right now, but even now the hair has a really good shine to it. I did go in with a little bit of hold spray just to help the curls hold a little bit longer. For the time when I try a color wig, I will try to gravitate towards wigs with a darker root to make it more suitable and versatile for all skin tones. I don't think this wig may be suitable for all skin tones, but hey, anybody can pull off color. It's the confidence level. It has nothing to do with how you look or your skin tone. It's your confidence, because it's what's in you, baby, not what's on you. You know what I'm saying? As you guys saw in the straight state, it wasn't doing it for me. So that's why I decided to curl the hair. And honestly, the hair is a lot more fuller when it is curled. So I'm very happy at that, because I was skeptical that this hair was going to be on the thin side, and it was definitely going to be like one of those type of wigs where you curl the hair and it instantly falls. This wig has a lot of volume. I'm not mad at that at all. Overall, the quality and the structure of the wig is very nice. I just don't know about this blonde. Now, it may be giving on camera now. It may be really giving, but looking at it is like, okay, this is different for you. Like, the ends look really healthy. The hair looks healthy, which I think is very important when you're getting a wig that has been colored, is making sure the hair looks healthy. Let me know what you guys think. This is definitely different than the norm, but sometimes different is good. Feel like they delivered with the quality of this wig for it to be a color wig. So I will have everything below. I need to take pictures real quick, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.